welcome back to my channel. So for today I've got another vlog for you guys. I'm going to be going to Florida to visit my husband's grandparents. It's his grandma's birthday. Truthfully, I haven't really been to Florida that much, like one other time for work. So I'm excited to see it. And yeah, gonna finish packing and head to the airport. All right, and then we made it to the airport. Fun fact, I think all Southwest flights let you check a bag for free, so just a fun tip. Also, you know, the grind never stops, always editing. And also, classic, gotta get a plane book. I love reading on planes, honestly. And here we are, ready to go. Oh, this video was funny. Jake thought it was a picture and not a video, so he just kind of like stayed the same the whole time. It was funny. And then we're off. I love taking little videos from the plane. It's so fun. Oh, and also if you do spill your drink, they will give you like a lid and a little straw, like a little sippy cup. That was pretty funny. But yeah, looking out the windows, it's so pretty. Like, look at all these clouds. I just think it's so incredible. And then also we did have a little layover, so got some pizza, something to eat, and not a huge fan of airport pizza, but like could be worse. Jake's was a little bit worse than mine, presentation-wise, but taste-wise they were pretty much the same. And yeah, just more videos from the plane. Like, seriously, this is like so stunning, so beautiful. And then we made it and got some Wendy's because it was very late and we were very hungry and just got the first thing we could find. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a quick little outfit of the day. I don't know if you can see it, but I got this cute little like wrap top, crop top, and then this little purse, which I got from Amazon. I don't know if you guys saw my Amazon purse haul video, but this little Amazon purse. And then I also have this little bucket hat. We're going on this little like boat tour cruise in Naples. It's called Naples. It's got a bucket hat, it's sunny out. Yeah, so this is my fun little outfit of the day. Little shorts, sandals. Also got some sunglasses. I feel like I'm like the hat and glasses. I'm like in disguise. Yeah, this is it. All right, and then we made it to the boat, although there was like one storm cloud coming towards us. It was funny, from the boat you could just see the pouring rain just slowly make its way closer to us. I'm not sure if my camera picked it up that well. And then it did eventually hit us, and this was like not just a light sprinkle, it was quite a bit of a downpour, got very windy, and was kind of crazy, but we just waited it out, and the sun did eventually shine, although I think this was when the sun was shining and it was still raining. But yeah, eventually the rain did subside and we had a beautiful day to go out onto the water. And seriously, the views from here were so incredible, so beautiful. And also a fun fact, the mango trees that grow here actually kind of stain the water with their roots. So you'll see the color of the water here compared to then when we get closer to the ocean. Boom, like see the difference in that? Kind of crazy. But honestly, this is so beautiful, like such a stunning view. And yeah, this was such a fun little cruise. We went around kind of those little mangroves areas out into the open ocean, and it was just so beautiful. If you're in Florida, 10 out of 10 recommend. So then after that, we headed to this little Italian restaurant for dinner that night, and they make this incredible pasta dish where they're making the pasta literally in this huge wheel of cheese, which obviously is incredible, tastes as good as it sounds. So that is the pasta I got. Jake got a different pasta that was equally delicious, but yeah, cheese pasta, cannot pass up that opportunity. And yeah, this is the big like wheel of cheese after they scooped the pasta out of it. So good. Good morning. So it is our second day in Florida, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of like kayaking in the morning. I never really know what to wear. I think I'm just gonna wear a bathing suit, and then I brought like kind of athletic shorts and then maybe like a tank top over it. But yeah, because I feel like I always want to just wear like a bathing suit kayaking, but then like ideally you shouldn't be getting in the water. So I don't know. I think that's what I'm gonna wear. And then it's also gonna be very hot again. So probably wear like a bucket hat as well, because you know, gotta protect yourself from the sun. A lot of sunscreen also. But yeah, that's kind of like the morning plan for today. I'm not really sure what the rest of the day will hold, but kayaking in the morning is our first thing. So yeah. All right, this is where I'm at so far. Got like just a plain black bikini on, and I do have a couple shirts to wear over it. I have like this one, little like loose tank top. I have like a cropped t-shirt, but I feel like I probably don't want to get like a t-shirt tan if I end up just keeping whatever top on. So I think I'll probably go with this, because it is still kind of like a tank top, so not like too bad of tan lines, although it is kind of like high neck. I'll show you guys. It is pretty cropped. And then I have these shorts. They're just like athletic running shorts. And I think this will be a like sporty kayaking look. I just don't want to wear jean shorts because sitting in damp jean shorts just sounds like a nightmare. But yeah, I guess this is my kayaking outfit crisis. Okay, final look. What? I think I should just stand on the bed. Final look. Here it is, ready to go kayak. All right, and then we made it to the little kayaking place, and there were so many kayaks, like a lot of kayaks. I thought these ones were really cool, kind of like the blue and the green ones. Very fancy, although not the ones that we got. And then here's the little river that we're kayaking in. Very cool, and like I said, the water is kind of like tinged that darker color. Also, quite a bit of fish at the bottom, if you could see that. So yeah, ready to go kayaking, getting some cool kayaking footage here. It was just really fun kind of being in between all of the trees and just kind of in this little narrow path. It honestly kind of felt like the Jungle Cruise from Disneyland, if you've ever been on that before. Very similar. Oh, and then this was a fun clip and a top reason why you probably don't want me as your kayak partner, because let's just slow that down one more time. Yeah, not really kayaking or helping the cause, but you know, it's fun, still having a good time. And yeah, I just felt like it was so pretty. If you have the opportunity to go kayaking through this little riverway, definitely recommend it. It was just very peaceful, very fun. I know we were kind of nervous about seeing like alligators or something, which I kind of wanted to see one, but didn't, but did. And we didn't actually see any, so not a big deal. But manatees, that was the one thing we kind of missed out on. Alright, and then here's our next day's outfit of the day. A lot less of an outfit crisis than yesterday, but for today, we're going to be doing this little like airboat tour and seeing some alligators, hopefully, some gators, the swamp tour. Very fun, and yeah, we got these fun little like headsets for the tour, and it was really cool. Again, kind of going through these little mangrove areas, just so many trees, like literally covered in trees. I thought this was kind of a cool little video, kind of just going through this little narrow path, and it really was such a fun experience, and just seeing and being in the nature, loved it. And we did in fact see some crocodiles. There's the first one, and honestly, if the boat before us was the ones who like stopped and found this one, and I feel like I would have literally no chance of spotting this in the wild on my own. I feel like the crocodiles blend in so well. Like, if you didn't know it was there, you probably would never see it, which made me kind of nervous from our kayaking yesterday. Like, there were probably so many alligators there that we might have just not even seen. So yeah, this was like a big boy, very large. This one, they said, is a male alligator, and yeah, He was pretty big. I tried to get some videos of him like moving around here. He was kind of going up towards the land, and I was thinking he was gonna get out of the water, but he didn't. But anyways, it was really fun seeing him, and yeah, he was definitely a big boy. And here's the second little alligator that we saw, and she was so cute. She was only 5'3", so in my mind, I feel like if I was an alligator, that would have been me. Super cute. And yeah, after we did the little boat tour, we were also able to hold a little baby alligator, which was so fun. Not that many people that we went there with wanted to hold it in our group, but I was like down to take this little guy home. Super fun. And then after that, we headed out to Fort Lauderdale, and it was so beautiful there, so pretty, and we had amazing pizza. So good as our last little meal of the trip. Definitely ended on a good note. And then we woke up early the next morning, and I got in my little plain outfit of the day, just something super comfy, casual to sit in a plane pretty much for the whole day. Also picked up another book because I finished my first one, and this one was so good. I'm super excited to see the movie now. I hope it's as good as the book. And then we are off, and I thought it was fun to get a little video of the plane taking off. I sped it up a little bit so you could like see the whole thing. And yeah, so if you've never been in an airplane before or never been in a window seat to see the plane take off, here it is. And I will say this like leg of the race back home, we did end up having like a 5 or 6 hour layover in Austin, Texas. So I'll bring you guys along to what we did on our little pit stop there. We got barbecue. Obviously, we're in Texas, gotta have some good barbecue. We went to Terry Black's, and this was so good and so much food. You can see my plate obviously isn't filled up to the max, but we got like a lot of meat for 4 of us, and yeah, just completely destroyed the plate, the food, so good. So recommend going to Terry Black's if you are in Austin. Also after that, we decided to walk over to 6th Street in my super cool walking outfit now. And yeah, this was probably not the best idea, but you know, we made it to 6th Street and it was super hot outside, but you know, all good. We made it back to the airport in time, and here's just a few more videos of some plane window content. It was just so pretty, like such a clear, beautiful day to be flying. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up my little Florida vlog. Here's just a last little shot of the sunset as we were landing in Orange County. So beautiful. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.